What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hvacroddy up here on the top of a roof. Just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with weekly content.
How you feeling today? I'm just riding my way to wherever it takes me. Teasing my taste. Can you picture a place where there's peace and grace? I leave the blueprints on my steps you can trace.
Alright. So here we are at the system. No cool. I just turned the system in cooling mode. Everything comes on. At least it sounds like everything is coming on. Let's see what we got here. So, low side up, see what it reads. I'm getting 203. Low side. Let's check the high side. I don't have no gloves. Let me get my gloves real quick. Alright. So yeah, that compressor isn't moving at all. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright. There we go, the capacitor. It's a 35.5. Perfect time to use the app method. See, is that capacitor good? So we got 35. Check the voltage. Alright, so I'm getting no voltage. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm getting no voltage on the capacitor, which means, guys, you might have a bad capacitor. Let's check that. Yeah, I'm getting no amperage. I'm getting no voltage. Where's the power box? No amperage, no voltage. It's a 35.5. To be honest with you, I bet that's the problem. Let's go get one real quick. Alright, back with the capacitor. 35.5 actually. Check this bad boy out loose. I usually like to just test it out first, instead of, taking it out, putting a whole new one in, and now you just wasted about a couple minutes. So let's turn this bad boy back on and see if it wants to kick on. Well, I can tell you, I can hear the compressor. Yep. Pressure starting to go back to normal. Yeah, it's definitely that capacitor. Now the question is, compressor stay the same first for a while. Then we're gonna test out, see what could cause it all to go wrong. All right, so now we're gonna see what the amperage is for the compressor. Because to be honest, the compressor could have took it out. Reading the 72. Let's plug this back in. It's not happening quick, so I gotta hurry up and put it. Wait, that was actually 84. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So it does over amp, so that could also play a factor in it. I know they did say it was a power surge over here a couple of days ago, a little bit 2 days before it actually happened, or until they actually realized it happened. So I'm pretty sure that's probably what took out the capacitor, that little power surge thing. Yeah, so let's plug this bad boy back in, let it run for a while. Just make sure everything's good. Tell the customer what they want to do. Alright, so I just installed a hard start kit also with it. He came out and asked me for one. Didn't really record it. Basically, the hard start kit does it basically helps with the amperage that I was showing you guys earlier. Kind of takes the amperage out, so it's not over amping there, potentially taking the capacitor back out or the compressor, which we don't want. So what we're gonna do now is see. Remember, it was at 81. It was at 81. So let's see how much it amps right now. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but it just dropped down to 29, which is pretty good. Actually, it's way better. So we're gonna let that run. Pressure's going back down to normal. And yeah, boys, we're done here. All right, guys, that's it for this visit. This trip was pretty easy. A capacitor change out. It really wasn't that hard. It's something I like to do. It's probably the easiest thing I can do. We replaced the capacitor. While I was replacing the capacitor, he came out and said he wanted to add a hard start kit to it. So I added the hard start kit, brought the amperage down, which was always a good thing, and everything checked out pretty good. I got this new recording thing that goes on my chest. It's like a little mount for my phone to record, so hopefully that comes out good. Recording with one hand is tough, so I decided to just get something I can put around my chest and just record that way. So hopefully it comes out great. This is gonna be like a little test version of it, so hopefully it's pretty good so I can post this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with weekly content every Thursday. It's your boy Hvacroddy. Peace.